Hi everyone, in front of me I've got VIVO iQOO Z10 and let me share with you how to change date and time on this device. So let's start with opening the settings. Let's go back. Now we have to scroll down to the very bottom to find System Management and tap on Date and Time. So here we've got some options which are currently inactive. It is because we are using the automatic time and the time zone. So first of all, let's turn off those switchers right here. And now we can freely tap on date and choose the date from the calendar, confirm it with OK. The same with the time, just tap on it and by swiping change the time, confirm it with OK. Here we've got the time zone, so just tap on this option, tap on the region, and here you can choose from available options, so find yours and then tap on it. It will be immediately applied. And the time format, so you can either use local default, which is more or less automatic, or you can simply decide. So right now we've got the 24-hour format applied, this option is marked, and we can set the 12-hour one just by turning off this option. So this is the whole manual customization of date and time. Of course, you can go back to all previous settings just by tapping on those switchers here. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.